Hello guys, in this video we're gonna talk about the 5 best headphones on Temu. So basically here we're gonna discuss the 5 best headphones by review and by its buying compositions and its features. So here, these are the cheap Temu headphones that we're gonna review. So first up, we're gonna have this. So it's actually just named a mini wireless earbud. So this is your best bang for buck right here. This is only $2.81. If you can also pay almost just 70 cents just for this. As you can see, it has a 4.7 star rating here, and it almost has 73,000 reviews. So as you can see, there's even 84,000 reviews all over the world and not just here in America. So right here, you'll see that it has built-in noise reduction and binaural communication, but I just assume that's going to be your noise cancellation basically. So here it says it has hi-fi sound quality, but I'm not really gonna buy that since you're only getting this for $2.81. But this is gonna be the best budget bang for buck if you're looking for a wireless earbud, since you can only get this for cheap. And if you only want to play music and you don't really care about sound quality, I would go with this. As you can see, it just says here that it's wireless connectivity, and it has noise control mode, it has sound isolation, which is your noise cancellation mode, and it's made out of plastic. So it won't have a cable in its box right here, but you'll just get the earbuds and its case, and as you can see, that's all you will get. And it doesn't really specify much other than that. So all you have to do is check here, and then you will see it has a 150 milliamp battery for its case, which is pretty low. So I assume you'll get right here 1.5 hours of charge with the case and about 1 hour for its own charging time. So standby time, you'll get 80 hours, and your talk time will be 3 hours, and your playback time is 2.5 hours, which is pretty typical since considering your price. So moving on to the next wireless earbud, you're gonna have this. So this is gonna be your wireless earbuds F9. So if you want to see the actual percentage of your own earbuds, you can see right here, it's gonna display it for you. So you'll have one for the case, the left earbud, and the right earbud. So this is going to be called, as you can see right here, your wireless earbuds F9. It's gonna say hi-fi stereo sound. It's sweat resistant. It has LED display for charging case and in-ear earphones. So this is compatible for Android and iPhones, same as your first one. So as you can see here, this is good for your sports, gaming, and daily life. A little bit of sweat here and there. So here you can get this over for $3.62 compared to your first one, as you can see right here, for $2.81 if you want to get the case. So as you can see right here, this is the dimension size, and then here you can see you will have your percentages, and it's really small. So here you can press its actual touch haptic button in the sides, where you can switch songs, answer phone calls, and even call off to Siri if you're using your iPhone. So here it has 43,000 reviews, and it has a star rating of 4.7. So basically when we go down to the specs right here, you can see this is a lithium ion battery, so it doesn't have noise control or noise isolation mode, not like our first one, but this is good for outdoors since you're trying to listen to your environment when you're going out. So here, as I've said, you can actually play and pause your music on the go. And as you can see right here, your own screen, as I have mentioned, and there you go. So the next one we're going to review is here. This is your wireless earbuds 5.3. So basically the 5.3 here means that it's using the latest Bluetooth 5.3. This will have better bass and will have noise cancellation in its microphone too, and in its features. So this is like a AirPods Pro basically, but you can get it in different colors, and even have the built-in screen, which both of these devices had previously. So for almost $12.59, you can get this even cheaper. So this is suitable for your laptop, iPads, mobile phones, and exercise too. So this has 36 hours of playback time, which is significantly larger than the two. So as you can see right here, it has almost 307 reviews and 4.9 star reviews. This has been just out lately because The 5.3 Bluetooth has just been released lately, so this is a fairly new product and it seems like it's doing great. So it has a 14mm speaker in its own headset right here in both earbuds. You get 40 decibels of active noise cancellation or just electric noise cancellation. You will have your own battery gauge right here, which is already a Type-C. Unlike this ones, they are not Type-C, they're only a micro USB, as you can see right here, but this will have Type-C. So this will connect also once you open the case, and as you can see, those are pretty good. So here, this will be the dimensions. It's pretty small at 2.4 inches. And here are the colors. So let's just try to go down to the specs. It has hi-fi stereo sounds, LED display, touch control, and support voice assistant, and one-step pairing when you open your earbuds. So this one, as you can see, you can charge it in the case, and it's only 4 grams, and this has deep bass unlike those from the previous ones that we have discussed. So next, we are going to our next generation. If you don't want the fancy screen that kind of looks weird and you want something that looks like your AirPods Pro. So here we have our 40 hours wireless earbuds, TWS active noise cancellation earphones with microphone, charging case, and also waterproof. So basically we'll have all the previous actual benefits of all the earphones right here, except for a screen if you're looking for an AirPods looking type of actual earbuds. So this one's gonna cost you $16.48 compared here for $12.59. And as you can see, let's just scroll down. This has actually just 5 reviews because this is also new, but as you can see, 4.8 star ratings, which is pretty good. And I will assume this will pick up soon because this has a really good rating in other stores, not just in Temu. So as you can see right here, this will have noise transparency modes. It will have 2, active noise cancellation and transparency. This will fit right in your ears right away. So this has your ENC, your active noise cancellation, intelligent wireless 5.3 Bluetooth, and pulse directional transmission, which means faster transmissions and lower latency times. This will also have your own actual bigger enhanced bass diaphragm, as you can see right here. And there you go. So if you want the best and not actual screen from this, you'll get this. This is the touch screen ANC. You can search it right here. This is going to be all the combined features of all the ones we've discussed into one earbuds. So you'll even have a built-in screen with the lock screen. It comes in black and white, and it comes in $22.99. So as you can see right here, it has 351 reviews with a 4.8 star rating. And I just scroll down. As you can see, this has Bixby, Siri, and others. So you can even do this features when you hold it down. You can hang up, you can play, of course, call rejected, next song, previous song. You can do it even with the others that I have mentioned. But here, you will have a bigger screen. You can even control your music from your own actual AirPod. So here, you can do music playback, volume adjustment, sound adjustment, and many much more, as you can see right here. You even have your Bluetooth camera, which is pretty cool. Even my AirPods don't have that. And as you can see, this has ANC and ENC noise reduction, so you can enjoy the outdoors without worrying about noise. Here, it has a 500 milliamp charging battery in its case, and it can last up to 30 hours with a 1-hour charging time. As you can see, you can also have your 360 sound. This seems like a JBL tune type of AirPods, but it's just a wireless earpods you can get here in Temu. So basically, this is my best choice for your top 5 earphones. So there you go, guys. As you can see, this is the best one. You can buy it now for only $22.99. You can even pay $5.74 with a bi-weekly installment. So there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, and of course, don't forget to subscribe.